Assalamu alaikum and hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Aishaba. If you're new here, welcome, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for staying with me. So today's video is just a random clips of how my week went. Yeah, just everything from Monday to today. Yeah, so this is the how weed that I will be selling at the trade fair, the upcoming Maid Maiduguri Digital Market Trade Fair. So don't forget to be there so that you can shop these amazing beauties. And I restock some bonus, guys. I don't know, like content creation is something that is very difficult. Please, if you're a content creator, tell me how you do it in the comment section. How do you take these pictures? Like I had like a lot of like inspiration ideas that I wanted to use. Like I wanted to use the sand in my house, and when it was time to take the pictures, guys, like I did not even have the energy to do that. So I was just like I just took some videos, and then I just took short videos that I'll use for TikTok. But then I'm not even that I don't use TikTok frequently, like a lot. I don't use it a lot because of Ramadan, but inshallah after Ramadan I will go back to posting more. So I just took a video of the burners that I restocked, and yeah, these are the videos, because I have a lot of people telling me like in my DM they want to see the available designs. This one always gets sold out, like it's even sold out now. So these are some of the new designs that I introduced, and you can slide into my DM. They are very affordable and available. So I got this beautiful review from New Jersey, and I was super happy. Thank you so much for shopping and patronizing Turarebyaisha. So the next day I went to school. Yeah, I went to school, you know, and this is the situation of my school. Like it's very hot in Maiduguri. In the afternoon, you won't see a lot of people like on the road walking or anything. Everybody was just going to the class and just rest. Like yeah, I was tired, and we had election. Yeah, we had election, and I just left. I voted for the candidate I want, and then I left. So I got this delivery, Kim's Donut Crush. Yeah, she's based in Maiduguri, and she has amazing milky donut. So I wanted to test this milky donut that I've been seeing online. That's why I got it, and she delivered it, and her donuts are very, very nice. Like I expected it to be very nice, and it's nice. So you can check her out and purchase your milky donuts. So and then I did not continue making videos that day because I was so tired. Yeah, and the next day, that's today I guess, I made Zobo using my sister's tea blend. Like the tea blend is so amazing that you can use it in different ways. You can make chai, you can make Zobo, a lot of amazing items with it. So and then I went back home again to pick up these items, and I'll send them out for delivery. I sent them out for delivery. One was going to Gambia and this other one was going to America. Yeah, the same review you watched, like she actually bought more bokos because she said the bokos are so nice and she cannot do without them. She has been burning them. It's not even up to a week that she got these bokos, but she has run out of some and she needed some charcoal. And then I had this for iftar. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share and comment. See you in my next one. Bye.